Hey, what's up? This is John. Today I'll be unboxing the Flipper Zero, which is a sort of like a cybersecurity tool, all-in-one MacGyver knife that you can use to, for example, use aircraft NG, which is used for like cracking Wi-Fi, WPA, you know, those types. And yeah, it's an all-in-one device. I'll be unboxing now. Costed around like 150 or something like that, or 200. Pretty chill. I really love the box because it has like that Japanese vibe to it, although it's an American product. I got these stickers and a manual. Pretty chill. I also got the Wi-Fi board, by the way. So, get the power cable. And here we go. This is the Flipper Zero right there. Looks pretty chill. Oh shit, the wind. It's just the wind. Okay, I should put this back into the box or something like that. So I'll be removing the Flipper Zero from the box. There we go. That's the device. So it has like a white case, it's plastic, has the SD card reader on the bottom. It's micro SD, and peel it off, put it back in the box. So hold the back key to start. Okay. Press to continue. Pretty chill stuff, honestly. Love it. Okay. I'm Yoth, a cyber dolphin. Okay. So it's starting up. It says one more. Alright, so it has all the settings inside. Pretty chill stuff. This is an unboxing video, so I'm not going to review it. I'm not going to test out every single functionality. But I'm trying to turn it off, by the way. I'm guessing it's like a bump push or something like that.
There's no way for me to actually guess how well it
It says take the red pill. It's a Matrix reference. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that, I guess. And this is the developer board. It's for a Wi-Fi module. Okay, I'm gonna box this one as well. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And this is the Wi-Fi module. I'm just gonna plug this in real quick on the top of the Flipper Zero. So it'll be sort of like that. Alright, that's it. Just connected the Wi-Fi developer board. Pretty chill stuff. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. This is sort of like those really old like telephone pranking device that existed back in like Steve Jobs era, which is pretty cool. Anyhow, I'm just gonna throw away these boxes. I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great one. Bye.